everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you one of the most important tools I use for anti-aging. So for the past few years, I've been using the BANISHER Microneedling. It's called the BANISHER. It's a stamper with the micro needles at the end, and it has a handle. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. I was sent this product a couple of years ago. I don't use the rollers anymore, the roller micro needlers. I just use this. They contacted me again. They said they wanted to send me more. I said, great, because this is one of my favorite products, and I keep track of it on my mirror, the back of my bathroom mirror. I write down with a marker when I do it, so I could remember. This is what they sent me. They sent me this little mesh bag. They sent me BANISHER Serum Dark Spot Corrector with vitamin C and E, retinol and ceramide serum. They were both packed in corrugated cardboard because they're very eco-friendly. So these two are amazing. One of them, the BANISHER Serum, is a clear serum. The retinol and ceramide is a milky white serum. Woo! Although I'm sitting here in my loft and the sun is coming in, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I open up this mesh bag and I get this little box. This was over in the box right there. This is the product. This is called the BANISHER. And what you do is you could switch it off and then replace it. Now this one happens to be one of the ones they sent me, and this is 1.0. So I took it out of this container and I put it here, twist it, and then I take the cap off, and that's what it looks like. See the little needles? Now these are long. I don't need any numbing cream with this. Now, I've always used numbing cream. I use this, and then I have a couple of numbing creams that I used when I did the roller microneedle. But with this is amazing. At that length, and I could do it without any numbing cream. Now, I'm working on my neck. I can't show you on my face yet because I have makeup on. But here you go. This is what you do. You just stamp, 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 stamp. It forms an injury in your skin, and your body rushes in to heal it, and by doing that you get more collagen. So you have to irritate it in order to get more collagen. I spray alcohol in here in the cup, and then I put this in, and it's so great because it really protects the needles. Now I could clean it with that, and then I could just leave it like that in my medicine cabinet. But it's great that it can sterilize it so easy. The 0.25, which you can use every day. This just makes your serums, whatever you have on your skin, it just penetrates. So the one I just showed you that is on the BANISHER is the 1.0. And that means I won't do this for about 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks. I'll do it every 4 or 5 weeks, and you need time for the body to heal the injuries. Then I have this one. Okay, this is the 0.25. It's very, very small. The needles are very small. And you can do this all over your face every night to get your serums and your vitamins and your moisturizers to sink in. So this is safe to use every day. The 1.0 is meant to use every 5 or 6 weeks, and because it needs more time to heal and for the collagen to promote. You can use this on your scalp, on your crow's feet, on your forehead, on your 11 lines, on your cheeks, on your nasal labia folds, on your neck, and on your décolleté. Now, right here, I had something removed right over here, and I can't even feel where it was. I can't even find it anymore because I have used this. I just tap, 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 tap. Very, very, very easy. And you don't need the numbing cream. Now, I always use the numbing cream with the roll-on ones. I don't use the roll-on ones anymore because I absolutely love these. I mean, these are easy to use. They stay protected, so you don't have to worry about the needles bending, because you don't want the needles to bend. Then you have to throw it away. But you don't have to throw away the whole thing. You just throw away the top. But you could use this several times, as long as you keep it sterilized and you just go straight in. And right now I'm doing my neck. So it says, the rolling version's bristles press at uneven angles. The Banisher bristles press straight and vertically. It's for all skin types, skin colors, and skin textures. It's gold-plated titanium bristles, ergonomic handle, and self-cleaning cap. It's perfect. I could tell you the complete honest truth. It gets rid of scars. If you have any scarring, if you have any raised scars, it will flatten them out. This is flattened out. This is like, I don't even know where it is. I know it's somewhere here. Okay, there it is. Flattened out. So I'm living proof that it works, and that's why I'm coming on to tell you. Even though they sent it to me, I didn't have to do a review. I wanted to do a review. I want you all to get the benefits of this. This is something incredible. Besides my face stimulation of massaging and using all my tools, my spiky tools, my gua sha tool, this plays a major part in my anti-aging treatment. And if you look back on videos 5 years ago, it's the same. It hasn't changed. My face hasn't fallen anymore. My neck is still stay the same, trying to get rid of it, but I see the most improvement on my jowls, on my chin, and it hasn't changed. It's just maintaining it. This is a miracle product. I'm so happy that I found out about this since I've been on YouTube, and I started using just a couple of years ago, and it has maintained, it has got rid of scars, it has maintained the tightness in my face, and I would tell you if it didn't, but I believe in this so much. This is one of my miracle products. So that's all I have to show you today. I hope you like the video. I'll put the links down below. I hope they have a discount for you. And remember, it really works. You just have to do it with a freshly cleansed face. I usually take a shower, I go get in bed, and I watch on my computer things, and then I just boom, 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 till my face is all red, and I put it back in the cap with the alcohol, you see? Then I apply more serums, and then I put on more stuff, more creams and stuff, and it's like, when I wake up in the morning, the redness is gone, and my skin feels so much better after using this. It's like a miracle. Like a miracle tool. Now, besides that it's doing good for your skin, anytime you do something to improve yourself, you are lifting your spirits. You are getting out of depression. If you're depressed, try this. It will lift your spirits. Any self-care, self-improvement is a positive thing for you. If you keep doing this, you start feeling better about yourself. Thank you, Banisher. Thank you, Banisher, for sending me this. I love it. You know I love it. I've already made a video about it years ago, and I'm just thrilled. So I will continue to do the 25 every night, and then I will do the 1.0 every month or every 5 weeks. And that's it. It's simple, it's fast, it's easy. When I did use the roller, I used to scrub my face, take a shower, and then I used to put the numbing cream all over. Then I'd wait 20 minutes and take the numbing cream all off, wash it all off, and then put my serums on. And then I would do the roller. With this, you do not, and believe me, you do not need a numbing cream. It's not painful. It's absolutely not painful. I'm so glad that BANISHER has come up with this wonderful, wonderful product. So, I hope you liked the video. Just know that you're appreciated. I'm so happy you're here. Have a happy new year, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. I'm going to show you one of the most anti-aging